Quenching is to burn the bow to a suitable temperature, and then keep it for a period of time, and then cooled slowly. Normalizing is a special case of complete annealing. The cooling rate of normalizing is faster than, and the cooling rate of normalizing is faster. Normalizing is cooled in air. Low-carbon steel is most suitable for normalizing. Quenching is to burn the bow to a bright red, and then immediately put it in water or oil to cool it. Through this process, the hardness of the blade steel is obtained. Tempering is to reduce the brittleness of steel. After quenching, the steel parts, heat it to a certain temperature. Heat it to a certain temperature. Tempering is after quenching. Immediately after quenching. Usually, it is also the last process. Heat treatment. Thus, the combined process of quenching and tempering. Joint process is called the final treatment. CNC Series Explanation. Empowering you to become an industry expert.